I'm going to do Kirchhoff's current law because it's the least number of equations. Kirchhoff's current law states that the sum of the currents into and out of a node is equal to 0. We're going to use that. We're also going to use Ohm's law, which states voltage equals current times resistance. We also are going to use the fact that power equals voltage times current. And we're going to use law of conservation of energy, which states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only transferred, or power delivered equals power absorbed. Let's label the nodes. Aww. I was a broke college student too. Ain't nothing different from you than me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 nodes in this circuit. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 loops in this circuit. 1, 2. There are 2 meshes in this circuit. A mesh is a loop that does not contain any other loop. I made it to the FYP. Thank you, Megan Wilson. Promise. Okay. The sum of the currents into and out of a node is equal to 0. So the current coming in from the 2 ohm equals the current going out through the 8 ohm and the current going out through the 4 ohm. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting. So using KCL, the current coming in from that 2 ohm resistor equals the current going out through the 8 ohm resistor plus the current going out through the 4 ohm resistor. Yes, this is the problem I just did with you, but now I'm doing it with KCL instead of KVL so that you can see that it doesn't matter. I think TikTok knew that. Okay, so this node has a value of -3 volts. And this node has a value of +5 volts. The reason I need to know that is because I have to use that to write the KCL equation. So the current through that 2 ohm resistor is 5 minus V over 2. V is this node right here. And the current through the 8 ohm resistor is V over 8. The current through the 4 ohm resistor is V minus -3 over 4. Look how much easier that was in doing the mesh current method. That's 1 equation, 1 unknown. When I did this with the mesh current method, it was 2 equations, 2 unknowns, okay? I got 1 equation and 1 unknown, and I'm already ready to solve for V. So this was a much better approach to this problem. 5 minus V over 2 equals V over 8. This is all algebra, plus V plus 3 over 4. The prerequisite for this class is calculus because you have to understand inductors, capacitors, and resistors. But even if you just know algebra, darlings, you should be able to do this. I'm now going to multiply both sides of this equation by 8 to get rid of the fractions because young people, and not young, so young people, they have a conniption about a fraction. Why do you need this? You need this to understand how electronics and power work to design a system to deliver a certain amount of power. Just like you need power and electricity to power your car, to power your TV, or any device that you design, you need to know how electricity works. You need to know how voltage works, how current works, how much you need, right? If I know I need to turn something on,